Marriage is a sacred union between two individuals who have decided to commit their lives to one another. It is a bond that is designed to be strong, fulfilling, and rewarding. Marriage is a powerful gospel motivation because it is a tangible representation of the love that Christ has for His church. The Bible teaches us that marriage is a picture of Christ and the church, with the husband representing Christ and the wife representing the church. In this way, marriage is a living illustration of the gospel. Marriage is a powerful gospel motivation because it is designed to be a reflection of God's love and faithfulness. Just as God is faithful to His people, so too should spouses be faithful to one another. The Bible tells us that love is patient, kind, and never fails. When we commit ourselves to our spouse, we are demonstrating the love of Christ and the gospel message. Marriage is a powerful gospel motivation because it teaches us about sacrifice and selflessness. This is a reflection of the sacrificial love that Christ demonstrated on the cross. In marriage, we are called to put the needs of our spouse before our own. When we lay down our lives for our spouse, we are modeling the love of Christ and the gospel message. Marriage is a powerful gospel motivation because it provides us with an opportunity to grow in our relationship with God. As we learn to love and serve our spouse, we are also growing in our relationship with God. Marriage teaches us about forgiveness, grace, and mercy, all of which are central to the gospel message. In conclusion, marriage is a powerful gospel motivation because it is a reflection of God's love for us. It is an opportunity to grow in our relationship with God and to model the love of Christ to our spouse and the world around us. As you embark on this journey, remember to keep Christ at the center of your marriage and to always strive to love and serve one another as Christ loves us. As you embark on this journey, it is important to remember that marriage is a divine institution that was ordained by God Himself. It is a reflection of His love for us and the covenant relationship He has with His people.